Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to another video. Today in this video I want to show you what's the difference between iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro, which has been released this year. So I'm going to go through design first of all, and then we're going to go in the menu to see if there's any big differences between them two phones. So let's start with iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'll go to this case, I'm going to take the case off. So that's iPhone 15 Pro Max. You got 3 cameras, got new button, which is a silent one. It's pretty good. Type-C charger, and that's pretty much it from external. And now we're gonna look on iPhone 16 Pro. So again, I'm gonna take the case off, and we're gonna look on design, outside design of this new iPhone. So again, 3 cameras, they're pretty much all the same as iPhone 15 Pro Max. They got this new zoom button, which is quite kind of handy. You got switch on and switch off button. Again, silent, and you can customize this button. And then you can the volume buttons as well. So we're gonna look again at these 2 phones to see if there is difference. So the size is that because it's Pro and it's not Max. 16 Pro Max comes with the same size, slightly bigger. But that's 15 Pro Max and 16 Pro. So that's the back of them 2 iPhones, and that's front of them 2 iPhones. Sideways, see here, go new button, and we'll turn around. You also have SIM slot as well. So that's pretty much the outside design of them iPhones. Now we're gonna look what's in the menu and settings. So both iPhones are unlocked, and we're gonna go in settings to check if there's anything new. To me, it's pretty much everything the same, no difference, and as I said, it's really straightforward. You go apps, they moved all the passwords to a new application, and if you want to look for your password, you're gonna have to go on a new application which is called password. And now we're gonna go look in general. So check general. Apart from that, nothing new. In general, it's pretty much the same settings, nothing new. Password, go back. We go iCloud, game, App Store, privacy, emergency. We're gonna click on emergency, see if there's any difference, and you can see it's pretty much the same, nothing new. We go back and we go on screen time, focus, sound, notifications, nothing has changed. Standby, search, home screen, display, pretty much the same. The one thing for me really matters is the camera. So I was gonna go on a camera, see the difference between them 2 phones. So click camera, and as you can see here, this iPhone 15 Pro Max shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second. This iPhone shoots 4K up to 120 frames per second. So if you want to shoot a slow motion video and you want to go really mad, you can choose 4K up to 120 frames per second, but I don't think that's necessary. So we're gonna leave it as it is. We're gonna scroll down, see if there's any other difference. Scroll down, and auto FPS is all the same, nothing new. Lock camera, lock white balance, again, nothing new here. We go back on camera, and here you can check photography style. I think I've missed here. So the main camera are pretty much the same. Let's have a look. So for some reason, you got fusion camera, which is pretty much the same to iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is 24, 28, 35, and it's 24, 28, 35 on 16 Pro as well, and it should be the same on 16 Pro Max. So as you can see here, it's nothing new, all the same. So that's the difference between them two phones. I would say there's no big difference between them two phones, pretty much the same. The only difference between them two phones is the price. But apart from that, it's all the same iPhone. Quite impressed with the camera. It's got like a style, so if you want to shoot, you can choose the style here. That's another difference which this iPhone has, and 15 Pro Max doesn't. Apart from that, nothing new has been added, apart from also a zoom button on the side, which iPhone 15 Pro Max doesn't have it. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Thumbs up as well. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.